Want Claude to run npm test without asking? Block it from touching production configs. Settings give you fine-grained control and a safe place to commit team rules. Settings cascade through 3 files: user settings in your home folder, project settings committed to the repo, and local settings ignored by Git for personal overrides. The permissions block controls tool access. Allow a list of tools or specific patterns. Deny others. Use patterns like bash : to match every bash command. Allow specific shell commands. Bash : npm test, bash : git status. Claude runs them without asking. Anything outside the list still prompts you for approval. Deny dangerous patterns. Bash : rm-rf, bash : sudo. Claude won't even propose them. Add safety rails your whole team inherits automatically. Local overrides in .claude/settings.local.json. Get ignored by default. Use it for personal experiments without affecting your teammates. 3 things to remember. Settings cascade, user, project, local. Permissions allow or deny tool patterns. Local settings stay private to you. Save these patterns for later. The full sheet is linked in the description below. Try it now. Add bash : npm test to your allow list and never get prompted again. Next episode, headless mode for automation. See you there.